Welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to see saved passwords on Google Chrome. Here's what you have to do. Open your Google Chrome and select the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Select Passwords under the Autofill section to open the Google Chrome Password Manager. A list of saved passwords will appear, each accompanied by their corresponding website and username. By default, these passwords are hidden and replaced by a series of dots. To view a specific password, select the eye next to it. There you have it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get video updates daily. Thank you and have a nice day.